Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I entered the trade on VIX 251S. How I made so much money on the street on VIX 251S. Right? I've done it in a short or so. If you came across my short video, you see that particular trade setup is mind blowing. If you stay to the end, you're going to see how we enter the trade, how you can also learn how to enter the trade by yourself and make money for yourself. This strategy is extremely simple. Of course, not so easy, but then it's something, if you settle down to learn, it's going to change your trading career. All right, let's get right into the video. So on the 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing now? We're seeing that price respected this trend line, the first touch, the second touch, and I was expecting the third touch from this place. You understand, we always use trend line to make sense of our trade opportunity in the market. I love to enter market that is trending, right? Because with that, you know that once we have the first trend, we are going to see another trend again happen, and then like that we can make money from the market because the market is respecting a trend. All right, so there's a clear cut trend that has been established here on the 1 hour time frame. You would agree with me that a trend has been established on the 1 hour time frame. So what do we want to do? The next thing we want to do is to wait for price to, when price was here, I actually saw this market here. So all I was doing was just patiently waiting for price to, form. Then I went to the M5 time frame. You understand already. For those that understand, this is the way the game is being played. Once you've established a trend on the higher time frame, probably the 1 hour or in the 2 hour time frame, the next thing we want to do is what? You want to go to lower time frame, right? Go to lower time frame M5 for us to see a clear cut break of structure. All right, guys, what happened next is mind blowing because at this zone we saw, okay, look at what I was saying, right? So price came, this was the trend line on 1 hour. Price came to this zone. However, look at how price was moving, right? Price came, and then what happened next? We started seeing a M5 microstructure, right? The first touch here, the second touch. Let me adjust this line very well, right? Because this was what I was seeing okay, coming. This was what I was seeing when price hasn't got into this zone. Exactly. This is what I have. So price was around here. I was expecting for price to come here. In fact, the first one was here. Price came back, went up, came back, respected this trend line. You have the first touch here. What happened again? You had another touch here, right? Second touch here. What happened again? Price broke up, which I'm fine and honestly good by, right? I'm fine. I don't want to rush this market. I'm expecting a sell, but if peradventure market does not sell, there's no point forcing the market. So what happened? Came back, price tested this trend line. I was just waiting for a break of this trend line. A break of this trend line. Let me increase it so that you can see, can know the trend I'm talking about. A break of this trend line. That was what I was waiting for. A break of this trend line. And what happened? What price came? In fact, when I saw that price came, tested it again around this zone, I was already happy, excited. What happened next? We saw a break, right, to the downside. A break to the downside. And once I saw this break to the downside, already it has been established that the market is heavily bearish. We're expecting a sell of 4. What did I do? I entered this market from this zone. Enter the market from this zone, right? Enter the market from this zone, and then where was my SL? I had a very tight SL, and which I was obviously aware of, right? Because we've had a lot of this jump, so I don't expect that price is going to still come up again. Ultimately, if I want to have like a safe entry in this market, my SL will have been somewhere above here, right? But then for me, I was willing to go on in terms of having a small SL so that I can increase my lot size, right? So what happened was that we had our SL just above here, and then look at what happened next, guys. Price just came and tested a bit, and see how it has dropped. See how it has dropped, guys. Look at how it has dropped massively. Look at how it has dropped, and it's still dropping. It's still dropping further, even further, right? So we entered this market, and then all the way down. Look at how many thousand pips we've caught. Unbelievably Look at how many thousand pips, guys. You see, so this is how to enter this market. It's not rocket science. And look at where we're going. We still have a whole long way to go, because ultimately my first take profit was somewhere around here, which price it's already. But then I'll want to stretch my luck and then see how price reacts. Probably we're going to come to this zone, right? Probably we're going to see a tap to this zone. So I'll be looking at the market, seeing how it's going to react. You see a tap to this zone. All right, guys. So let me just bring address one information, one issue. I've been seeing a lot of DMs saying, okay, do you have any service? Do you have any account management? Can you manage my account for me? Can you do this? Can you do that? I've been getting a lot of those DMs, especially from people outside the country. In fact, very interestingly, my South African audience and Botswana audience also. You get, so of course a few Nigerian also asking me this question. We will make something available. If you're interested, just send me a DM using the Telegram handle. They're interested in something like that already. For those interested, you just send me a DM and send me a reminder, and then we'll see what we can do. Of course, we'll see what we can do in terms of trading accounts for people. Of course, on T&C apply, right? Managing some accounts. Let's make this money together. Because most times I'm not there to tell you, okay, buy or sell. I have other things I do. So once I see this kind of trade, I enter it and then go off to do my stuff and just come back to check how the market has done, right? So if you're interested in like the account management service, just let me know and then we'll arrange something and then see what we can do. All right, guys, I'll ensure you like, subscribe, and comment, right? Let me know your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this setup and this strategy. If you find it helpful, let me know and tell me where you're joining from, guys. Tell me where you're joining from. Let me know my audience so that we can communicate together. All right, on the next time, I wish you a profitable trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.